Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix YouTube if it keeps pausing or buffering. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you may want to try another browser. Okay. Now, if you're using YouTube and it's got a problem in your mobile device, you may want to try using a browser. Okay. Go to youtube.com and check if it helps. If it helps, you may want to go ahead and go to your Play Store and to App Store and update YouTube. Now, for computers, okay, let's go ahead over to the top right and click on the three dots or horizontal lines, depending on your browser. Now go ahead and click on settings, like so. Now go ahead over to About Chrome, right here at the bottom left. Click on it and wait for it to check for updates, okay? If there's an available update, just wait for it to finish installing, all right? And once that's done, go ahead and restart your browser and you should be good to go. Now, if that still won't work, go ahead over to Privacy and Security right here. Click on Third-Party Cookies, all right? Now go ahead and click on See All Site Data and Permissions. In here, go ahead and find YouTube at the top, like so. Now once done, go ahead and find YouTube. There you go. Click on Delete. Hit on Delete. Okay. Once that's done, go back to YouTube and there will be a reload button right here. Just go and reload YouTube and just log in. Okay. Now you can go ahead and test it out. Watch a video and you should be good to go. Now if that doesn't work, don't worry, you still have an option right here. Go ahead over to the top right here. We have the search bar and type down cache. All right. And here, click on delete browsing data. Now just go ahead and leave, all right, these two, cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Once done, make sure that you select right here. We have more all time. Okay. Make sure that all time is selected. Now go ahead and click on delete data. And after that, it should work now. All right. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.